Many water heater noises are harmless, but some indicate serious problems that need attention immediately. If your water heater is making a popping noise like popcorn popping or a deep, resonant rumbling sound, it's more likely because there are deposits of sediment at the bottom of the tank. Try to drain the hot water tank. If your hot water tank makes a loud hum or noises that sound like someone in the pipes is banging on them, it may be water hammer. Install water hammer arresters to absorb the shock. If your water heater is making noise like a hissing sound, you may have a leak. Call professional plumber to check it. Your water heater whistling may be due to water being forced through a small opening. Ensure all stopcocks are fully open for proper water flow. If there is a crackling noise in your water heater, it is typically caused by condensation dripping on a hot burner. Ensure good ventilation so that moisture can escape. If the noise worsens, have a pro check to see if there might be burner issues arising.